Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to create discussion topics, group discussion topics, using Desire to Learn. So first, we'll go to the Communication tab, click the down arrow, and then go to Discussions. So right now it's empty. First, we're going to go to New. We have a couple options once you click the down arrow. There's New Forum and New Topic. So topics must be inside of a forum, otherwise students won't be able to see the topics. So first we'll create a forum, sort of like a folder for the different topics that we'll be discussing. So let's click New Forum. And then here it gives you some options. There's some restrictions regarding the forum. You can go back to Properties. We can call it Week 1 Discussion. So we'll give it a title, and then it allows us to control different settings. Like here's some different options over here. We can write a description. But for right now, we're just going to go ahead and save and close. So now we have our forum created. What we should then do is create a new topic here. So the first thing that you need to do is select which forum this topic goes under. So if you have multiple forums, then you'd be able to have a list of different options to where this would go. But for now, we're just going to put this in the Week 1 discussion groups. And then you can add a topic type. Here's where you type in the title. So first I'm going to put in the title, group 1. And then we have the same options down here. We have the description, we have allow anonymous posts, etc. We're going to be creating multiple discussion topics. So instead of saving and closing, we're going to go ahead and click Save and New to bring up a new blank discussion topic. So as you can see, it already selected Week 1 discussion groups. Then we're going to move on to Group 2, Save and New. Group 3. And here's the last one, Group 5. So for this one, now that we're completely finished, we'll go ahead and click Save and Close. And now we have 3 different topics, or 5 different topics within our Week 1 discussion group forum. There's also other actions that can be done. You can copy, reorder, delete, restore, different things like that.